Cum sunt? Super. Cum spui? Thank you. Mulțumesc.
You would suit you in that hat, those shorts, more of an opening at the bottom. So this is a Derby. This is an Oxford.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Oxford.
This one?
Derby.
Good man. Good man. That is exactly right. So, what is your shoe round there?
Brown.
Yes, it is a brogue. And is it an Oxford brogue or is it a Derby brogue? Is it stitched in at the bottom or is it open at the bottom?
It's a Derby, mate.
Is it?
I think.
Right. We'll have a look in a minute. Just see, I can't remember. I thought it was an Oxford actually. Come on, let's have a quick look. Come on, let's have a quick look. I need to squeeze by to put them back, please. Come on.
I think it's a Derby.
What is it?
A Derby.
It is a Derby. A nice patina. Let's have a look. It doesn't want to look too perfect, and then we cheat and we give it a little bit of this
What is it?
on here. It's like a lacquer to make the shoes shine a little bit.
Yeah.
Like you see when you do. And that one, when it's dried, is sorted, just all stuck down
Yeah.
nicely, right? Pass me the other one, we'll have a look at the other one. That's it, that's a bit worse,
Where have
isn't
you
it?
got that gold bar from?
The gold bar, this is solid gold. It's a magnet. I've been trying to find somebody to give that to. There you go, it's yours now. Five.
Yeah, definitely. I
So,
feel like I'm a 4.5.
right. So, I want you stood up, put your foot into there. Other foot, my friend. Right heel, that's it. Now, you've got to just slide that down to there, across into there, we're right to the back. Put your weight on it, because your foot gets bigger with the weight on it across there like that. So you have got quite a wide foot. So we've got 90 millimeters across here, which is quite wide. And this would be a 6, this would be a 5. You are 4.5,
Yeah.
just over 4.5. Okay, so let's try your other foot. Onto there, right to the very back, onto there like that. So we're at 6, we're at 5, 4. So you are coming in there. Just let me just see if I've got that right. 6 there, 5 there, 4.5, 4 there, 4 there. Right, let's go back to your other foot. Let me just see if I've got that right. Yeah, so this is your bigger foot by nearly half a size. So whenever you're buying shoes, you've got to work off of your right foot, because that's your bigger foot. So if you try shoes on your left foot, and you think, oh, that's nice, a little bit snug, but it's nice, and then you just buy the shoes, you might find on your right foot it's a little bit too tight for you. And the length in the shoe. So our shoes start at around about 5.5, so you've got another couple of years to wait before.
A couple of years.
At least. But your problem is, mind you, the way you've been growing, I should think, but it's just once you get to 16, 17, you can start looking for a really nice pair of shoes. Until then, you've just got to wait a little bit. Right, get those back on there. Look, there's a shoe horn here.
I always use a shoe on.
Good. And to start off with, when you're a young man and you haven't got a lot of money, that's a good shoe to start with. And then eventually this one, and then finally this one.
Yeah.
But you'll have a pair of these 40 years.